Welcome back to the lecture number 15. Evaluate double integral over S 4x plus 3yz square I minus x square z square plus yj plus y square plus 2z into k dot ds bar, where S is the surface of the sphere x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 9. Now again here question is evaluate. Evaluate means we can directly evaluate the surface integral also. But first see the surface. S is the surface of the sphere. Surface of the sphere means complete surface, curved surface. And on that curved surface we cannot find out here n cap. That's why we have to go by using triple integral. So by Gauss divergence theorem, double integral over S 4x plus 3y z square I minus, I am going to write first definition, double integral over S f dot n cap ds, it is equal to, or double integral over S f dot ds bar, it is equal to triple integral over v del dot f dv. Now what we want here, del dot f. So f is given as a 4x plus 3yz square I minus x square z square plus yj plus y square plus 2z into k. Now del dot f, it is equal to del by del x of this first f1. Del by del x of f1 is 4. Then del by del y of f2. X square z square derivative becomes 0. This derivative of del by del y is minus 1. And del by del z of this y square plus 2z. Our del y square derivative is 0 and 2z derivative is plus 2. So it is equal to 4 plus 2 6, 6 minus 1 5. Now del dot f is constant term, so substitute this in this equation number 1. Double integral over S f dot ds bar, it is equal to triple integral over v del dot f is 5 multiplied by dv. But 5 is a constant term, so we can take outside and it is nothing but triple integral over v dv. Now triple integral over v dv, and since S is a surface of sphere, so we can write it as 5 times volume of sphere. Volume of sphere. Now volume of sphere is 5 times 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now it is equal to 5 times 4 by 3 pi as it is. What is r? Sphere is given as x square plus y square plus z square is equal to r square, and r square is 9. So what is radius r? It is 3 square. So it is 3 cube, which is equal to 5 multiplied by 4 by 3 pi multiplied by 27. So this is 180 pi. 180 pi. This is the answer for the integral double integral over S 4x plus 3yz square I minus x square z square plus yj plus y square plus 2z multiplied by k. Next question is, using Gauss divergence theorem, evaluate the surface integral double integral over S 4xzi minus y square j plus yzk dot ds bar over the cube bounded by the plane x is equal to 0 to 2. Means along x direction length is 2, along y direction 0 to 2, and z is equal to 0 to 2. So question is using Gauss divergence theorem, not only evaluate, using Gauss divergence theorem. Means whatever the given term term, we cannot evaluate by using this given term. We have to evaluate second part of Gauss divergence theorem. So by Gauss divergence theorem, statement is double integral over S f dot ds bar, it is equal to triple integral over V del dot f dv. Now here we cannot evaluate by using left hand side because question is using Gauss divergence theorem, so we cannot evaluate this. We want to evaluate by using this right hand side, triple integral over V del dot f dv. But triple integral over V del dot f dv, so we need del dot f as well as we need limit for x, y and z. Now see, S is the surface of the cube bounded by all these planes. Means what is cube? Cube has total 6 surfaces. See, suppose this is a cube. First upper surface is S1, then next surface S2, S3, then S4, then S5 and lower surface is S6. So cube has total 6 surfaces. So suppose so this is x, y and z direction. Now cube has total 6 surfaces, so S is a combination of all 6 surfaces that is given in the problem. Now what we want to evaluate? Only this triple integral. So first f is given as vector f is 4x z I minus y square j plus yz k. Now find out its divergence del dot f. Del dot f is del by del x of 4xz plus del by del y of minus y square plus del by del z of yz. So it is equal to del by del x of, it is 4z and del by del y is minus 2y. Del by del z is plus y. So 4z minus 2y plus y. So minus 2y plus y, it is equal to 4z minus y. So we got del dot f, it is equal to 4z minus y. So by using Gauss divergence theorem, double integral over S f dot ds bar, it is equal to triple integral over V 4z minus y multiplied by dv, and dv is nothing but dx, dy and dz. Now limits are given in the problem. X varies from 0 to 2, y varies from 0 to 2 and z varies from 0 to 2. So substitute here limit. X is equal to 0 to 2, y is equal to 0 to 2 and z is equal to 0 to 2. 4z minus y dz, then next dy and then dx. So it is equal to integration x is equal to 0 to 2, y is equal to 0 to 2. What is integration of 4z with respect to z? It is 4z square by 2, and integration of yz with respect to z, y with respect to z is y dz, yz. The integration of dz is z. So 0 to 2 dy dx, which is equal to x is equal to 0 to 2, y is equal to 0 to 2. Substituting limit, so this get cancelled and instead of z put limit, so 2 into 4 minus 2y. If we substitute lower limit, we will get 0 multiplied by dy dx. So this is equal to integration x is equal to 0 to 2 dx, integration y is equal to 0 to 2, 8 minus 2y dy. Now separate it, integrate it. So it is equal to x is equal to integration of dx is x over 0 to 2 and integration of 8 minus 2y is 8y minus 2y square by 2 over the limit 0 to 2. So it is 2 multiplied by 8 into 2 minus 4. So 16 minus 4, that is 14. 2 multiplied by so it is equal to 24. So answer for the given integral double integral over s 4xz I minus y square j plus yz k, it is equal to 24. Thank you.